So I'd say my message for February, happy 1st of February everybody, would be to just keep plugging away at your spirituality. Keep plugging away at like clarifying yourself, healing yourself, um, being the best you and defining yourself as I am. I, I am and you are, saying that to your people, your children, your friends, your family, your wife, yourself. You are awesome, like you are amazing, you're great, you're really good at this, you're really awesome at that, you're just superb, you're clever, intelligent, funny, you are all of these things. So define yourself with the I am verb, and it's a very powerful thing. And keep working at letting go of the past, the future, the worry, anxiety and holding on to things. Let go of rushing to the future, and that's sort of carrying that weight too, that carrying the draw. So yeah, keep working away at finding a better life for yourself and aligning yourself with your true heart and soul and the spirit of light and love that you truly are. That's my February message. I hope you liked it.